am a vice president of Goa Legislative Forum, where past and present MLAs are members, and past and present MPs are members of it. So we are doing our work, and we visit other states, and we match up with our Goa's rules, our procedure of the running of the house with other states.
पावसाच्या दिसांनी शेत रोयता, उरिल्ल्या दिसांनी खेळगड्यांक उर्बा दिवंक मुखार.
Farmer actually, I am agriculturist. माझे agriculture continue असता. We have our own field of the Komida. We are the talented, but it is Komida field. So we used to have 2 plantations because of some problem with the committee and some problem with the management. We can have only one crop, that is during monsoon. I am involved in indirectly.
सर आता
I
लोकसभा
encourage sports. I like sports. If you take up our village is most popular and famous for volleyball. Okay,
Yes.
Santa Cruz is known. And I am the president of Crown Club, which is the main club of which is completed 50 years already.
आमदार असताना काय बंधना आशिल्ली, आता खंय लोकांमदीं वचून जाय तशें काम करपाक मेळटा.
After MLA, I am more busy. When I was MLA, I was limited to certain rules of the house, certain business of the house. But now I am free. I am working more with the public, more with the social work, and more involved in every activity which is taking place in our village, our constituency, and Goa.
काँग्रेस पक्षान उमेदवार बरो दिल्यार लोकसभेक सक्रिय काम करतलो, नाजाल्यार खंय सायलंट.
Lok Sabha depends on the candidate first. Let me see the candidate first and the party together. So party gives a good candidate, I will work. If party doesn't give a good candidate, I will not work. Not work means I will be silent. I will support, but I will not work extremely the way I work for other elections.
प्रुडंटा खातीर शिरीष कुंकळेकार.